Hello everyone, have you ever gotten stuck with your camera facing down or up and you wanted to bring it back to the center but it was just too difficult and you didn't know how to? Well, in this video I will show you how to do it. To tilt your camera, you will use the Sky Controller 2 and the scroll wheel on the left. So you'll need one finger to do that, to do up and down. But how do you center it? You don't know. On your tablet or your phone, you can do this by using two fingers and holding it over the horizon line, pulling down or pushing up to tilt the camera. Now this is one thing that a lot of people forget and they struggle to center the camera back. The simplest way to do this is by tapping the screen twice with two fingers across the horizon line. And there you go, as simple as that. Ciao!